Good morning, my name is Federico Rubino and I am in charge of procedures and products normalization at PR Rubino. Since 1978, we have produced simple and synchronized belts, technical products and next-generation hybrids. Our company offers high-quality standards thanks to the control of the production process. Today we are going to speak about Bleterfood conveyor belts. Let's see what they are. They are a range of conveyor belt layers with food sustainability requirements in direct contact with wet and dry food. Moreover, they proudly hold Italian and European certifications. Let's see some advantages now. Non-hygroscopic polymer. The belts are waterproof thanks to the special polyurethane blends they are made of. The advantages will be a better hygiene and a reduction of the bacterial count. Clothes treated with resins. Unlike the traditional clothes available for sale, the layers of our conveyor belts pass through a strong TPU treatment called heavy back coating, which insulates them and makes them waterproof. No borders fraying. The lateral borders of the clothes don't fray over time. High longitudinal flexibility. On the two layers types with a 0.04 inches thickness, it is possible to roll on 0.39 inches diameter rollers and on 0.31 inches diameter fixed rollers. The one layer belt can roll onto 0.2 inches diameter fixed linchpins. Long duration. Extending the duration of the layer of a conveyor belt decreases the production standstills and the consequent maintenance. Fields of application. The food industry can benefit from our Bleterfood conveyor belts. Here are only some industries which can use Bleterfood. From meat and cured meats to legumes and vegetable industry, from the pharmaceutical to the chocolate industry. More information on our website, prrubino.it. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.